My name is Kathy, and I'm from the Success Team here at MIFOinc. I'd like to go over the Childhood Immunization Combo 3 report. This report is available with all pediatric and family practice dashboards. This report shows for all of the members within your practice that have a measure for Combo 3 immunizations, a detailed report based on patient name, phone number, date of birth, and due date, which of course comes off their date of birth. For their health plan, each of the immunizations that are required, the label shows how many of that individual immunization is required. And the counter here shows how many they have actually had to date. And this is pulling in historical data as well. So let's look at Isla Hoffman. For DTaP, she has had her 4, HIV has her 3, IPV 3, hepatitis A 1, hepatitis B, she's already had 3, and so on and so forth based on the entire series of immunizations. So she has had her complete series. The chart down below will show you for each one of those immunizations, the encounter date and the CPT code that actually has closed that gap. Taking a look at another patient who has not completed all of the immunizations, you can clearly see right here, out of the 3 HIV, this individual patient has only had 1. And again, the detail for Derek Stewart, we'll see here for the combo 3 immunizations that he has had, the encounter date, and the CPT code that closes that gap. And you can see the ones that have been closed, as well as the ones that he has not completed that still need an appointment to complete. So this report can also be used for outreach. Any reports on our dashboard can be printed. If you click on the box, click back here, you'll see a blue border outlining the report, which gives you a menu bar. Clicking the menu option with the 3 dots allows you to export to CSV or export to Excel. So you can take this report and print it and manipulate it any way that you choose. And if outreach is required to these patients, you can make certain to get them in before their due date. Again, this report is on any pediatric or family practice dashboard. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you at future training modules.